Might be able to cook in there. We're in the heart of a tropical island forest. We've only need the hand spear to hopefully catch something, but we have never been in tropical forest, so anything can bloody happen. I'm gonna make our way downstream a little bit more. Oh, the rocks are so slippery.
Oh, shit.
Cold, huh?
Yeah, looks like a crocodile.
I reckon over there in the deeper. There's a big one up there and there's a big one under there. Oh, almost. There's got to be some serious honey holes. Here, little prawny prawn prawn. We're getting hungry. Oh, big one. Look at him. This place is insane. Biggie's just gonna have a little pit stop just at the base of the stream there. I'm gonna head downstream a little bit, see if I can get anything, go for a bit of a hunt, and meet back up with her in a little bit. Oh, prawn. Oh. One of the local boys made this. It's like a DIY spear. It's made out of a little bit of I think I'm not gonna hit ya. Oh, they're so much faster than what I thought. Like, I could get close to my spear, but as soon as I strike it, they're like, boing, 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 boing. Yes! I got one! Woo! Look at that! Oh, put him straight over his misery too. Rest in peace, buddy, but I'm gonna eat you. Ah!
The mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Brodie made his misery and another tasty little treat. That sun is obviously on its way down and it's getting a bit dark, so I can't see bugger all with my mask on under the water anymore. But above the water here, I can still kind of see, so I want a few more of those delicious little treats for later on when me and Vicky have a feast. So, look, there's one, there's one. We got stuff to feed, but I'm not 100% sure how we're gonna cook them yet because it's so wet and moist here. We're gonna make our way down towards the coast, I think, back towards the beach, hopefully. It's a bit of a hike, couple of hours. I only reckon we got a couple hours of sun left, if that, so. Look at this. Oh, little Hermie in there. Here you go, fella. Might be able to cook in there. Put that there. It is time to get stuck straight into this cook. I've made myself a little fireplace here, a little bit of protection from the wind, under the shade, because Vicky and I are feeling it after a bit of ascent in the jungle. We're actually both getting sick, so I don't know what happened up there, but we're not feeling too good. But I will cook these freshwater shrimp. So I've actually found this coconut here, and I have a plan. I'm gonna cook a couple in here. Put the coconut in there. I'm gonna get some coals and put it in there and like maybe just use it as a little oven. I have no idea if it's gonna work. And the rest we're just gonna scatter around the fireplace and get straight into. Look at that, they look bloody good. All right, that's a good base.
Show me that sweat.
I'm sweating. I don't know whether it's because I'm sick or I'm hot or both.
Or both. I think it's both. I'm the same.
But anyway, this is my favorite part. I love making fires. I don't know why, but I just do. But of course you want to be responsible. We just made a little place here above the tide line, got permission, and I'm gonna put it out. Of course, make sure you guys always do that. But everything is soaking wet because of the rains we've been getting. Look at that, it's just soaking wet in there.
Yeah.
Apart, hopefully get a better chance of stuff. This might be a little bit of a mission, Dicko. So wet. We don't got fire, baby. Come on.
And?
Come on. Please. Stay with me. Stay with me. Yes! What's your bear? We got fire, baby! And we've got a big bear here. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see him. We have fire, bear. We have fire, mate. Huh? We're cooking some shrimp. Are you excited? Yes! What do we got there, Vicky?
We have fire, baby.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, we have almost smoke, baby. Oh.
We almost don't have fire. Like
We
that.
almost don't have fire, we still. Oh.
That was a bloody mission to get a good little coal base going. I'm gonna chuck this cocoa here. Right there like that. I'm gonna put our little prawns over here. Grab these guys. I'm gonna put that one and that one in the tub. This one, ooh, straight on there. Oh, smoke in my eyes. These guys have been dealt with humanely. They're not live. Look at that, they're already going.
Ooh, they're going red.
Red, yeah. I'm gonna grab, I wanna grab a bit of this hot coals and put it in there somehow. Hot, that's why, the fire's so hot. All right. Have a look in there. Yeah. All right. Now we'll chuck our prawns in. Ooh. Ooh. I think that's gonna work.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ah! I'm blind.
Yeah, gotta watch out. That's gonna work good. It's actually gonna work. Cocoa oven. Hmm? Cocoa oven.
Coconut oven.
Oh, no way. I'm actually so excited about this.
That's a good spoon, maybe, that you found.
Yeah, this is actually all working so much better than what I expected. Oop, except for that.
What happened?
I'm getting our prawns a little bit dirty. Oops.
The question is, how are you going to grab it? Ah.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. Anyway, I'll sort this fire out. Flip our prawnzitos here. Look at them. Oops,
Oopsie.
lost the nipper.
Oopsie. Oof, 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 oof.
I don't know why the wind's decided to come this way now.
He's like,
There we go.
he's playing with us. He's like, ha ha ha.
Alright, these look really good though. This guy needs to go up there.
It's a little bit like.
I didn't mean to do that. These are just about done, I think. Chuck them straight in me little. Whoop.
Brodie. Grab it from the. It hurts. It hurts only to see it.
I'm excited. All right, that's them. And I'm just gonna try and get this guy out. Whew. All right, I'm gonna wash all the prawns, cool everything down, and
Wow.
here we go. The moment of truth. First, we'll take a sip of this rainwater. You want a drink? Ooh, that's good. Oh, I'm bugging. Alright, now I'm going to use these to clean the... Alright. Put that there. I'm going to clean one of these guys up. Most... Oh, you're hungry. With most crustaceans, if you get them straight into cold water, the skin will peel off better and they actually firm up the meat and it tastes a lot better. That one there's ready to go. I'm gonna tip this out. I'll make sure I put it out before I leave. Moment of truth, huh? Oh, there's one. There's the other one. Oh yeah. Oh, they sizzled. These are the ones that I'm most interested in trying. Ooh, just like a prawn. We went right up into the mountains to get these and all the way back down to the beach to cook them up. We're sick, we're tired, we're hungry. One for Vicky. There you go. You can be the first test. You want it? Not interested? Cheers, Vicky.
Cheers.
It tastes like chicken. What a bloody adventure that was. And I'll see you guys soon. That's a wrap, baby. Youngbuds.co if you want any new merch. Woo!